Mixsoon Bean Cream 1.69 Ferli Oz 50 ml. Mixsoon Bean Cream, a great moisturizer that forms a protective layer on the skin and retains moisture. Texture: a smooth and thick cream, full of nutrients that provides dull skin with vitality without any stickiness. It only maintains thick and moist moisture. Key ingredients: fermented bean extract, fermented Korean pear, fermented pomegranate, fermented barley. How to use: apply after your toner and spread over your face, letting the skin absorb it. It can also be used at night as a sleeping pack to support the skin's natural process of repairing damaged skin and rejuvenating the tissue of the deep layers of the skin. Mixsoon Brand. Mixsoon insists on minimalism and clean beauty. We eliminate unnecessary ingredients that might cause skin damage and only add the essential ones. 100% cruelty-free.